These motherfuckers keep on talking about this sucking dick shit. Weird ass niggas.
Drop your money.
Any nigga still talking about that gay ass shit is gay too. For you to even comment that on my live, you're gay, bro.
$2, bro. What are you doing?
That's some faggot shit, bro.
Get my $2.
And stop saying the Hoovers, because one person don't make a whole hood. When you niggas die, niggas don't call you niggas zombies. When the Hoovers kill you niggas and kill your homie, niggas ain't talking about your whole hood is no zombies. Nigga, your whole hood is dead. So stop commenting. When your homies tell, niggas ain't talking about the naps is snitches. So stop doing all that. Niggas is boo-boo anyway, bro. Oh God. It's one person did some gay shit. That's him. That ain't got nothing to do with Hoover. That ain't got nothing to do with me. That ain't got nothing to do with my homies. That one nigga did something. Niggas tell all the time. Niggas do gay shit all the time. Niggas do gangster shit all the time. Niggas don't talk about when we kill you niggas. Niggas ain't talking about the Hoovers is turned up when don't speak on the bad and then don't speak on the good too. Like I'm just gonna tell you the real. Like if you wanna be real. If you wanna be real. You niggas ain't saying that we killing you niggas when niggas out there smoking you. Niggas smoking your homies, niggas ain't saying the Hoovers out here killing us.
There you go. That's the 5.
So stop speaking on something that that ain't got nothing to do with you. If he wasn't sucking your dick or sucking the next nigga dick, your cousin dick, why even speak about it? And even if he was, why speak about it? Like I said, I ain't got nothing to say about no nigga. I don't care about no nigga. What a nigga talking about, I don't care. I ain't got nothing to do with it. I'm straight. I like pussy, strictly pussy. Nigga ain't never did no gay shit. Not planning on doing no gay shit. But stop saying the Hoovers, cause that shit making me mad. Cause it's niggas like me out here that'll fuck your bitch. That you niggas is out here. When y'all say Hoover, y'all like I'm from Hoover.
Drop.
I got some homies that'll fuck y'all bitch too.
No, come on, nigga.
Same thing.
Bro, I'm gonna take your money.
No, I ain't gonna do it.
Shoot, nigga.
On the set, I ain't gonna lie to you. So y'all need to stop saying the Hoovers this and the Hoovers that because
you made me waste my beer and everything.
The Hoovers didn't do nothing.
Nah, nigga, shoot, nigga.
That's one man.
Shoot the one.
Goo got right to do whatever Goo want to. Goo is a human. Goo got a right to do whatever Goo want to. Like I said, I ain't got no right to speak about that man.
Shoot the one. Don't make
nigga might talk about a nigga for being straight.
Shoot the one.
Nigga Jap be fucking. Jap got bitches. Jap got.
Shoot.
So what?
No, shoot the $2 we been shooting.
But that's what you niggas need to put through y'all domes.
You don't get a vote?
Shoot the $2, bro.
That's what y'all niggas need to really like install.
No, I can't do it.
Shoot the $2. We shooting $2.
Oh, 3 out of 1. Crap.
On the set, I got you.
I'm 2 up.